me.
Right turn. My favorite type of music, though, is like the heavy metal.
Yeah, that's my favorite. I have a Pantera tattoo on my leg.
Pantera.
Yeah.
There's an old band.
Favorite band.
Awesome.
I went to
when they came out.
Yeah, I went to their concert in August. It sucks that it wasn't the original lineup here because they both died.
I didn't realize that they were still around. Wow.
Neither did I. I've listened to it for the first time, and then my stepdad's like telling me, they have a tour going on, a world tour. I'm like, fuck, let's go.
Oh yeah, for sure.
He was like, I don't think we can. But then for my birthday, he surprised me. So it was like 2 weeks before we left too, which was a good thing. We actually went to see them on my sister's.
Where did you go to see them?
Budweiser Stadium. So fun.
Is that Toronto?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. We'll keep going straight here. Yeah, I used to go to a lot of concerts. I lived in Ottawa when I was a teenager.
Oh, geez.
And pretty much every weekend there was something going on. 1, 2, and off you go. Just making sure that... See, when you see that they're slowing down, that's evidence their foot is on the brake and not on the gas. So you can be sure that they're going to stop, that their intention is to stop at the stop sign. Let's see, 11:02. We got time for this. Let's make a left turn.
I think the last time I actually drove was with my mom.
No, let's stay right here, because now you have pedestrians on that corner. And just stay. You just don't wave at anybody?
I kind of just took this crosswalk.
Okay, go ahead. Okay, yeah, after this lady. All right, okay, everybody got confused here. Go ahead. Yeah, you blocked the crosswalk because you kind of moved out.
I saw that.
And then we had to stop because we had the pedestrians about to use the crosswalk there as well. So we'll make a right turn. But I mean, it's like that at some intersections. Not everybody follows the rules, so it makes it a little bit more difficult,
Yeah, because they're more advanced in driving, and I guess they know how to use their...
Yeah, and they're not going for a road test, And
yeah, they're not either.
So if they roll through a stop, they're not going to lose anything.
Unless there's a cop.
Yeah.
Strap a light right to the top, and then we'll go after them.